Students, in this video we are going to learn two important compounds of carbon. One is carbon monoxide and other is carbon dioxide. So we are going to learn preparation, properties and structure of carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. So here is the title, carbon monoxide. This is solid carbon when reacts with limited supply of air. When carbon is heated with limited supply of air or in presence of oxygen, they form carbon monoxide gas. I balance this reaction. On left hand side, two oxygen atoms are present. Therefore, on right hand side, I take twice CO. The number of carbon is 2 on right hand side. Therefore, on left hand side, I take 2 carbon. So this is the first method of preparation of carbon monoxide. Second, HCOOH. This compound is formic acid. Formic acid. Formic acid, when heated with concentrated H2SO4, it undergoes dehydration. Dehydration means removal of water molecule. It loses water molecule and gets converted into carbon monoxide gas. This is the second method of preparation of carbon monoxide. Third method, H2C2O4. This is oxalic acid. This oxalic acid, when heated with concentrated H2SO4, water is removed and it forms carbon monoxide gas plus carbon dioxide gas. So in this way, carbon monoxide is also prepared by heating oxalic acid with concentrated H2SO4. The next method, third method, I am going to explain. This is carbon or coke. When steam is passed over red hot coke, here H2O gas, steam. When steam is passed over red hot coke at about 473 Kelvin to 1273 Kelvin, it forms carbon monoxide gas plus hydrogen gas is produced. Hydrogen gas. The mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas is called water gas. Water gas or synthesis gas. Synthesis gas. Next method I am going to explain. Here coke is taken and instead of steam, air is used plus O2 gas. It contains nitrogen gas. Air also contains nitrogen gas. When air is used instead of steam, then carbon monoxide is formed, CO gas plus 4N2 gas. Balance this reaction, 2 times carbon monoxide, and on left hand side I take 2 carbon atoms. The reaction is balanced. So these are some methods of preparation of carbon monoxide. This gas mixture of carbon monoxide and nitrogen gas is called producer gas. Producer gas. So the producer gas and water gas are used as fuel. Water gas or synthesis gas and producer gas are used as fuels. After explaining methods of preparation of carbon monoxide, I am going to explain properties of carbon monoxide. So first property, carbon monoxide is colorless, odorless gas. Carbon monoxide is colorless, odorless gas. It is insoluble in water. Carbon monoxide is insoluble in water. Next, it is a powerful reducing agent. Carbon monoxide is a powerful reducing agent. It is used in the extraction of metal from their oxide. It is used in the extraction of metal from their oxide. Carbon monoxide is poisonous gas. Carbon monoxide is poisonous gas. It causes death when inhaled. It causes death when inhaled. So here I am going to explain the reason. So in blood, hemoglobin is present. Hb is hemoglobin. Hemoglobin combines with carbon monoxide gas, and when carbon monoxide is inhaled, it forms HbCO. This is known as carboxyhemoglobin. Carboxyhemoglobin. Similarly, with this hemoglobin, when oxygen reacts, it forms HbO2. Oxyhemoglobin. Now you see, when carbon monoxide is inhaled, it causes death. The reason is that this carboxyhemoglobin is more stable than oxyhemoglobin. oxyhemoglobin. It prevents hemoglobin carrying out oxygen in the body. It prevents I repeat once again, it prevents hemoglobin carrying out oxygen in the body and causes death. So remember carboxy here, O capital. Carboxyhemoglobin is more stable than oxyhemoglobin. Next point, in carbon monoxide, I represent carbon monoxide. Both carbon and oxygen undergoes sp hybridization. And when there is sp hybridization, the geometry of the molecule is linear. I represent here carbon double bond oxygen. Oxygen has two lone pair of electrons, and this carbon has also one pair of electron. I represent the structure like this. This oxygen donates lone pair electron to this carbon, and oxygen becomes positively charged. Due to acceptance of electron, carbon becomes negatively charged. Here is one pair of electron on oxygen. So this is the structure of carbon monoxide. Due to presence of lone pair of electron, carbon monoxide acts as Lewis base. So this is about structure of carbon monoxide. So after completing the study of carbon monoxide, we are going to learn about carbon dioxide. So very simple part from this topic. So first we shall study preparation of carbon dioxide. Here I write the heading carbon dioxide. Formula is CO2. The method of preparation I am going to explain. Solid carbon reacts with O2. Carbon on complete combustion, when heated strongly in air or oxygen, it forms carbon dioxide gas. Similarly, the compound CH4 is used as fuel. This methane, this hydrocarbon, when heated in air or oxygen gas, combustion takes place, carbon dioxide gas is produced and water vapor is produced. Balance this reaction, 4 hydrogen, therefore I take twice H2O and here twice O2. Next method I am going to explain calcium carbonate. When dilute HCl is added on calcium carbonate, it forms CaCl2 plus H2O plus carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas is produced. Balance this reaction. I take twice HCl. Now it is balanced. You know that CaCO3 is known as limestone. This limestone, when strongly heated, it forms calcium oxide plus CO2. Next method I am going to explain. C2, 1 minute. C6H12O6. This is glucose or fructose. This glucose, by fermentation in presence of zymase catalyst. Zymase is the enzyme. Glucose or fructose, when fermented by zymase, they gets converted into ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide gas is produced. I balance this reaction. Twice C2H5OH, twice CO2. Now you check whether the equation is balanced or not. It is carbon dioxide is the byproduct formed when fermentation of glucose or fructose is carried out by enzyme zymase. So these are methods of preparation of carbon dioxide. After explaining methods of preparation of carbon dioxide, I am going to explain properties of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is colorless, odorless gas. It is slightly soluble in water. H2O plus CO2, it is soluble in water and it forms H2CO3. This is carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is dibasic acid. This H2CO3 in presence of water donates proton and gets converted into bicarbonate ion. This is bicarbonate ion. Water accepts proton from carbonic acid and gets converted into hydronium ion. This bicarbonate ion HCO3 minus reacts with water molecule. This bicarbonate ion gives proton to H2O and gets converted into CO3 minus ion. This is carbonate ion and here hydronium ion is produced. So remember, carbonic acid is a dibasic acid. Here H2CO3 and HCO3 minus acts as buffer. This is buffer. This buffer maintains the pH of the blood between 7.2 to 7.4. It maintains the pH of the blood between 7.2 and 7.4. This carbon dioxide is acidic in nature. Carbon dioxide is acidic in nature. It reacts with alkalis and form metal carbonates. It reacts with alkalis and forms metal carbonate. This carbon dioxide is used by plants in the process of photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide plus H2O liquid in presence of chlorophyll म्हणजे हरितद्रव्य. In presence of chlorophyll, photosynthesis takes place. And plants prepare food for themselves as well as for animals. Glucose is produced. I balance this reaction and here oxygen gas is produced. So plants in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll by using CO2 and water prepares food for themselves as well as for animals. I balance this reaction. Here 6 carbon on right hand side, therefore I take 6 on left hand side. 12 hydrogen, therefore I take 12 H2. Here 6 O2. Check whether the equation is balanced or not. Ammonia combines with carbon dioxide gas. When heated at 453 to 473 Kelvin under 220 atmospheric pressure, it forms NH2 COONH4. This compound is ammonium. NH4 is ammonium carbamate. This compound converted into NH2 CONH2. This compound loses water and here urea is produced. Urea is formed. So balance this reaction. I take twice NH3. Urea reacts with CO2 to form ammonium carbamate, which is converted into urea. So these are some reactions of carbon dioxide. After explaining this point, I am going to explain about dry ice. Solid carbon dioxide is called dry ice. This dry ice does not wet the surface. Dry ice directly gets converted into gaseous state, Therefore, solid carbon dioxide known as dry ice is used as coolant. Solid carbon dioxide known as dry ice is used as coolant. It is used to prepare cold baths in laboratory. This carbon dioxide is used as fire extinguisher. Carbon dioxide is used as fire extinguisher. Carbon dioxide is a linear molecule. I draw here structure of carbon dioxide molecule. C double bond O. This is a linear molecule. Carbon undergoes sp hybridization. When atom undergo sp hybridization, the geometry of the molecule is linear. This oxygen atom has two lone pair of electrons. Similarly, this oxygen atom has two lone pair of electrons. I draw resonating structure for this carbon dioxide molecule. This lone pair is shifted here and these pi electrons are transferred on this oxygen. So the structure becomes C triple bond O. Electrons are shifted from this oxygen, therefore oxygen becomes positively charged. Here single bond O, pi bonded electron pair is shifted on this oxygen. Therefore, this oxygen becomes negatively charged. This is the resonating structure of carbon dioxide. Another resonating structure I am going to draw for this carbon dioxide. This electron pair is shifted here. Pi bonded electron pair is shifted on this oxygen. O, here double headed arrow, triple bond C. Oxygen becomes positively charged. O minus. So these are resonating structures of carbon dioxide. Let me check whether it is correct or not. I think it is correct. So this carbon dioxide molecule is linear. It has no dipole moment. तर अशा रीतीनं आज आपण कार्बन मोनॉक्साईड आणि कार्बन डायऑक्साईड यांचा स्टडी केलेला आहे. नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण सिलिकॉनच्या कंपाऊंडचा स्टडी करणार आहोत. व्हिडिओ शेवटपर्यंत बघितल्याबद्दल धन्यवाद. थँक्यू सो मच.